Hello guys, so today we are trying to evaluate the costing of each of the these LLM APIs. Okay, so I simply ask the question to ChatGPT itself, compare the pricing of different LLM APIs. So for my test, I'll be using these five LLMs: ChatGPT, Gemini, Anthropic, Llama, and Perplexity. So I'm just trying to figure out like the cost of each model provided by these LLMs. Okay, so as you see, like the the costing is like for ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, it's 0.0015 dollar per 1000 tokens. Okay, so it is including both input and output tokens. So this is very confusing, saying what is the tokens here, right? Similarly, if you see different models, it is showing for GPT-4 Turbo, it is 0.0015 per thousand token. For GPT-4 Mini, it's 0.15 per 1 million token. Okay, as you see here, and it's 0.060 dollar per 1 million output tokens. So what is the meaning of this, right? So this could be confusing, right? And similarly, if you see into the Google's Gemini APIs, so it has a free tier, which is the limited usage across models in Google AI Studio, no charge, right? And for 2.5 Flash Lite, Google is charging 0.10 per million input tokens and 0.40 for 1 million output tokens. So these, what is the meaning of this? Like say if I'm hitting the API for Open AI or Chat or Gemini for telling me like what is the uh, stock price of Apple in current, or what are the current trends for Apple, or show me the recommended text stocks for current market, right? So how does that evaluate to the number of tokens? Okay, so that is the confusion which many of the people would have, right? What is the meaning of 1 million token? How would I be charged based on that? Okay, if you see Anthropic, same for Claude 3, Sonnet, Opus, same. Perplexity, it's also same for 1 million tokens. It's like this, right? So if we compare the pricing, so it is like that, and it is again comparing with the millions of tokens for input and output, right? So let's see like what exactly is the meaning of token here, right? So I again asked the ChatGPT to let me know what exactly is the meaning of token here. Okay, so it gave me very simple answer. A token is a chunk of text, words, subwords, or even characters that LLM processes. So you can consider one token is equal to uh, 3 or 4 characters, okay, or 0.75 words on an average. So the example is like ChatGPT is awesome, so it is considered as 5 tokens. I love AI, it is considered as 4 tokens. So for 1 million token, you can consider there are 750,000 words. Okay, so on an average for 1 million token, for around 750,000 words, you will be charged based on this, right? So ChatGPT would charge you 0.0015 dollar for around 750 words, 750,000 words in both your input and output streams. Okay, so that is how they will evaluate the costing of your API. Okay, so again it is showing how the tokens affect your API bills. So many providers charge separately for input and output tokens. Okay, for input token, the size or prompt of your context also is considered. Okay, so say in your context you are saying consider you are a stock market analyst and you want to compare the stock prices of Apple, Microsoft, and Google. Tell me about which is the recommended stock to buy now. Okay, so accordingly, so this all will be considered as the input token, and then the size of the output token would be the you can say the the response shared by the LLM. Okay, so consider your input could have 5,000 tokens. Okay, and your output could have 2,000 tokens. So pricing would be based on the combination of both the tokens. So this is the example, like for 5,000 tokens, it is dividing it by 1 million and then posting it with multiplying it with $3. Again, for the output, it is 2,000 tokens divided by 1 million tokens multiplied by 15, right? And the sum comes out to be 0.045, which is 4.5 cents for your simple query. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of billing of your APIs. If you have any other question, you can just comment out, and we'll be able to help you out and solve these queries. I would request you to subscribe to my channel and basically put on the questions for similar kind of queries. Thanks.